You honking. So actually I've been wanting to get out a little more, so we're going to a meet, so we're just gonna go there and chill, you know, see what we can see, and let's see how this video goes. Alright guys, so enjoy a little bit of the car's exhaust, pops, bangs, whatever. I don't know, we're almost there, so I'm like, I might as well give you guys something to listen to, but I won't bore you. Try to do a pull with me. What's up? How you doing, man?
Good, how about you?
Pretty good, pretty good. You guys know Two Fitted from last time.
What's up?
Yeah, how you doing, man?
How you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing? Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
Running real late. We was hanging out before this.
You what?
I said we was just hanging out before this.
Oh, okay, cool, cool.
I saw your
Oh,
episode about getting pops, and I made a comment and said I got pops in my Ultima too. When I do it, I accelerate and I let off, I get pops. Sometimes when I shift from on sport, when I go higher, like 3, when I go up to 5,
Yeah.
and when I go down, I shift it down to 2, and I go.
Yeah, it does that sometimes, yeah. Check out these white wheels. Belongs to my man's right here. His Ultima. I know I got a lot of Ultima followers, so there's his car, his whip. Yeah, I see it. It's pretty sick. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's sick. These cars are comfortable though.
Oh yeah, bro.
These cars are hella comfortable. Alright, I know you guys want to see this. Look at, dang, I can't even. Let me see if I get my phone.
Want me to start it up?
Look at this. This guy got quad freaking pipe. Okay. Alright, you want to start it and see how it goes, how it sounds. He's on bags. Yeah, this thing's loud, yeah. I was like, it was like what, like freaking 1500 RPM? That thing is loud.
Yeah.
It's on bags. I like it. I like it. Damn, I really like his wheels, guys. Damn, on bags though. Actually, I wanted to go with these wheels one time. Check out Two for this car though. Man, I really want those neons though. Ouch. Big boo boo. Check his trunk setup though, see? Two fitted. I want to get some scars for my car too. But yeah, like I said, so if you guys want to give him a follow, right there. Two fitted. Give him a follow. Does YouTube content on the Altima. So we're tuned now. Should we run this one? Should we run this one? Should we run this one? Damn, all these cars are low. Makes mine look like a freaking monster truck. Like all on bags. Everybody's on bags nowadays. Damn. Yeah, I don't even know if you guys can see that. Eee. Carbon fiber boys. Yo, check out these wheels. I want them. Carbon fiber trunk. Once you guys see that Alpha, you already know it's freaking fast. We got this Subi over here. I mean, intercooler aftermarket, so you already know it's pushing power. I think this thing is a little sleeper. You guys think it will be my car? Probably. Not if I'm 6 feet though. Look who decided to show up late to the party. You hear that shit? Yo, I thought you weren't coming.
Oh, I'm here, bro.
What's good, man? How you doing, bro?
Earlier. I'm chilling, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I slid earlier, bro. Yeah.
Oh, you got that U power too, yeah. I think I put those. Isn't that sick? Wait, you're on BCs or?
I'm on reaction.
On reactions, right? Yeah. Look at that, twins.
You want to?
Yeah, reactions, yeah.
And then you put on the percentage.
But I got my boy right here. I'm gonna give him a quick little ride of the car and so he can hear it, because we're at the meet and I'm not that type of person that freaking revs it all the time and get everybody kicked out with the cops, so. I think you can feel it. Yeah, that thing kicks. Even if like I'm in neutral, like.
And it's a Maxima too.
Yeah.
That's what's crazy.
Like once I switch between maps.
Oh,
if I have it here.
Okay, got a little rev limiter.
Yeah, so I can do that, and then so it's, yeah, things like that.
This car has definitely been taking care of you, bro.
Oh yeah, yeah, on the original CVT too. So
oh man, especially.
sounds just like mine. It's funny. That's how mine was without the white pipe. So he's on reaction coilovers too, you know. I'm glad, you know, I be doing things to my car and you guys do it too, so that makes me happy because see, I told you it works. He even got the pops. You even got the pops.
I got some pops in there.
Hell yeah.
Oh man.
You got the pops. All right, we got my boy back here. Now we're gonna do a quick run, his G against my Maxima. So you guys know my Maxima's tuned, but you honking. That was a good run, guys. Like, I didn't think that G was. Oh, you want some too? You want some too, buddy? You want some too? Nah, but that G, bro, like that G got some all right power. Like, he was pretty much like almost on my bumper, so that did pretty good. I just wanted to get in that little race for you guys. So, but the G did good, the Maxima did good. So I'm gonna just leave it here, guys. I am on my way home. It's like 1 a.m. So next time we'll go to a meet. We'll probably do like the racing. We'll do some racing and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you guys like the video. It might be all over the place, but I'm just trying to get you guys some content so you guys can see what I do, what I like to do, and what type of cars are out here. I'm gonna catch you guys later. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And remember, guys, God is good. God bless you all. Love y'all. Peace.